Hello freelancers. In the instructional video for today, I am going to guide you through the comprehensive process of listing your service on a freelancing platform. Initially, you must log into your account and navigate to your dashboard. Following that, you will notice an option for services located below. You should click on it first. Once you have clicked, an interface will appear and initially you might encounter an error message indicating that you need to purchase a subscription package. Nevertheless, we shall proceed to move forward with listing our service utilizing the complimentary plan. Initially, we will click right here. Simply click on Create New Service and subsequently our plan will be displayed before us. Within this plan, you will observe that in the free plan, you are able to list up to 10 services, prominently feature one of them, submit a total of 15 proposals, and follow 10 different companies. Therefore, we will make use of this particular package. To proceed further, you will observe a Get Started option situated below. You are required to click on it. Upon clicking, your package will be successfully acquired. Now what we shall undertake is the listing process. For this purpose, we will click on Go to Dashboard since our purchase has been finalized at no cost. Subsequently, we will proceed once more. I will click on My Services. Okay. After clicking on My Services, the error that was previously appearing above has now been successfully resolved. Now, what can we effortlessly achieve? We are able to list our 10 complimentary services in this particular section. So what is required for that? You need to click on Create New Service once again. After clicking, what is necessary to do here? You are required to fill out 3 essential components here. First, for the overview of your service, what can you do? You can provide a title to the service, meaning what type of service are you planning to offer? In my instance, I am planning to provide video rating services, correct? I intend to offer video rating services specifically for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Therefore, I will compose a title that reflects this. The more concise you make the title, the more advantageous it will be for you. Next, what is the category? I will input it here. You have the flexibility to input any category that aligns with your preference. So I am inputting it here. Video marketing is my choice and I have the option to add additional categories such as video editing, so I will include that as well. Alright, I have successfully added video editing. Then, when it comes to language, you have the liberty to select any language you are proficient in. In my case, I will opt for English, so I have entered English here. Additionally, I am proficient in Bengali, so I have added Bengali as well. Now I will proceed to add English once more. I have successfully added it and I am familiar with another language as well, so I will proceed to add that one too. For every language I am proficient in, I will ensure to add them all here. After that, you need to include a detailed description for the service listing you are in the process of creating. Who are you? And what's your professional background? Which software are you skilled in? What types of videos have you worked on before? How fast can you deliver completed work? You have the chance to elaborate on many details in the description, so I've already noted in a notebook what it should include. Then I'll easily copy and paste it. I have pasted it here. So essentially what I have written is that if you are in search of someone, you have arrived at the perfect place and you should reach out to me. Then I elaborated on what I would accomplish, such as video editing, color correction, providing subtitles, and additionally, I have included some samples of my work here. This is the link. The client can click on this link to view my work, so you can also present your work in this manner. And if you wish to make the link clickable, you need to... What can you do by doing this? Just click on the link here. Make sure to do this for all the links you add. If it becomes clickable, what will happen? It will turn blue and you need to select it like this. Now it has become clickable and I have added a lot of details below, like I work for YouTube, which you can also mention here. You can also specify which tool you use, and I have also written here what I need from you, such as providing raw footage. If there are others, they can provide it. If there's a script, you can provide the script and I will edit accordingly. So whatever your requirements are, please make sure to include them here. I've also mentioned here that I will do 100% good work and deliver high quality work. I've also added that if you need a discount, please discuss it with me in a message before placing an order. Please place the order, and I've written a lot of things in the description. Do not include any contact details like email or phone number or any type of contact information, because otherwise your account could get banned. So keep this in mind while adding everything. Also, do not mention the name of any other freelancing platform in the description, otherwise it could lead to issues. Then you need to go to the skills section. In the skills section, it asks what you know. What do you know? First, I'll add it. I know video editing. I'll note it under video editing. I've noted video editing and I'll mention I know it. I also know graphic design. I've included graphic design. Additionally, I'll incorporate animation since I'm knowledgeable about it, and I've already added that as well. I can integrate all these elements into your video. Then I'll specify the location to indicate where I'm from, so I'll include that information. I've added my location, so you should include your location too. Next is the timing and the image, which are crucial because the client will examine your cover image and decide to click on your gig or service based on that. Observe, this is the cover image, how stunning it appears. If I encounter it in front of me, I would certainly click on it, and I can also peruse the comprehensive details of the service. Therefore, always ensure that your initial cover image is excellently crafted and pay close attention to its aspect ratio. The proportion specified here is the one you are required to use to create and upload a cover image, so I'll just explain it straightforwardly. I'll click on the link and navigate to the folder location. Wherever my folder is located, I've placed it there. But now an error is appearing. Why is this occurring? Because the image isn't in the correct dimensions, so I'll use something different. Alright. Let me try adding something else. Once this is done, you just need to add the images that are supported here. So on this thumbnail type line, you can add text saying that you will do video editing for them. I need to edit my photo and place it on the side to make it look professional. If you add something random, your cost might get deleted after a few days, or it might get deranked. It won't be in range, so always try to keep it clickable. Okay. What constitutes a gallery? It's essentially a place to display files pertinent to your ongoing projects. For instance, observe this image. It's a project for a Figma design, illustrating that it was crafted using Figma. This represents a website design. Thus, you have the opportunity to exhibit your work through this image. What is the maximum size limit for your image in MB? It should be less than 10 MB. So I will proceed to upload several images. Here, I've selected a few, possibly up to 6. You can upload it, you can't upload more than 6, so just upload 6 images here. Look, the upload is complete. Now it's asking for a video if you have one related to the service you're offering. If you have an introduction video about video editing where you're saying, this is who I am, this is my age, I know this tool, I can create sources, I can edit long videos, then you can put whatever you have here. I have a hyperlink available with me. I shall duplicate it and paste it here. Only YouTube videos are permitted to be linked here. So if you possess a self-introduction video or a video concerning the service you are offering, upload it to YouTube initially, and then you can incorporate the link here. Now, let's proceed to pricing, where you have the opportunity to offer 3 distinct types of services: basic, standard, and premium. You have the choice to offer merely one if you prefer. There is an option available for that, and if you select one, only that particular one will be accessible. If you start, there will be only 2, but if you do 3, you can sell 3 types of services here. I recommend that you select all 3. What are you offering in basic? What will you offer in standard? And what will you offer in premium? You need to write all this here. For example, if I go to Notepad, I've written what I will offer in basic. So in basic, I'm going to offer this. I've put this 30-second editing here. I have established the pricing at $6, which signifies that I shall deliver it within a single day. Alright, I will proceed to activate it here. I enable it, and by revision, I mean how many times you can provide corrections. You can write here for the client in the custom section that I can provide it twice. I am able to provide a single word, or if there are no limits, then I will specify unlimited. If there is nothing, you can omit it, but I will write 2 here. Alright. So what can you offer in the subsequent standard? I've mentioned that I will edit your video, which is between 1 to 3 minutes long, and the price will be set at $10. For the delivery time frame, I will specify 2 days, and I will offer unlimited revisions here. And next, what will I propose in the premium package? I shall include the premium package. For instance, I am able to create a professional and didactic extended form video that can be up to 10 minutes in duration for you. I will charge a fee of $50 for this service here. I will determine the delivery timeline to be within how many days. I shall set it to 3 days and also incorporate unlimited revisions. Thus, this becomes your pricing table, and then you can incorporate additional elements here, such as what extra services you can offer in the basic plan. I will include the title where I will make the cuts. There will be no cuts in the free plan. In the starting basic plan, there will be no cuts, but they will be in the standard and premium plans. For color, I will do color grading, but I will not include it in the basic plan. I will only include it in the premium plan. I will add 4K rendering here. If you need rendering in 4K, I can only provide that in the premium plan, not in the other two plans. In this section, I'll mention that if you need the file in MP4 format, I'll provide it in all plans, ensuring the MP profile is included in each. This way, you can choose what to include or exclude. Alright, moving on, we'll go to the extra section. If you want to offer extra services with this, I'll note here that I'll add more features with this package. If you are in need of a thumbnail design, I am fully capable of incorporating the pricing details within this particular section. Okay, I shall place $5 here, alright, $5, and I shall write 1 day. If you feel as though you require anything additional, I will include that I shall compose a script for you. I've incorporated the script and the price right here. Then as in the delivery time frame, I shall establish it to be 4 days. If you want to add more, you can click on add more. And regarding this typing, I have written the delivery time here. It can be 1 hour, 1 day, or 1 month, and you can change it from here. Okay, I'll do it here. 1 day is fine. I've set it to 1 day. After this, at the end, you need to add FAQs because you have listed the service. But for any general questions the client might have about video editing, you can put those questions and answers here. If I go to the FAQ section where it says how to buy this service, and they have explained it completely. Then the questions that come up will be listed below, and for that I have also noted down what questions the client might ask you. You place it in this section, and subsequently I will position this particular question here, followed by inserting its corresponding answer in this location. Then I shall include an additional question. The subsequent question is, if you contemplate the inquiries that the client might pose, you should incorporate them and furnish comprehensive answers. What will transpire then? You will possess a greater likelihood of securing the job. I will append more here, so you can incorporate as many questions as you deem necessary, whether it's 1 or 2. You must incorporate at least 1, and you can add as many as feasible here. There's no problem. I have successfully entered it. There are a total of 5 general questions. Ensure that you verify everything meticulously, such as reviewing the overview, title, and category. Make sure to examine everything comprehensively and then proceed to click on Post Service. If there happens to be any issue, it will not post, similar to when I clicked here. Alright, observe, my service has been successfully posted now, and if I demonstrate the dashboard to you here by clicking on the 3 dots, you have the ability to edit it. In case there's any issue or if you have entered something incorrectly, you can make the necessary edits. If you have already posted it and decide you no longer wish to sell this service, you can place it on hold. What are the features? There exists a section dedicated to features. Allow me to show you that as well when I navigate to the service section. You can keep it. This feature is coming up, and feature means as much feature. It is applied. In the free plan, only one of your services can be featured on the post and it will rank at the top. Now look at this. This is your... If the service or the item does not display a feature option, we will proceed to feature it presently. As I have recently added it to the feature, you can observe that a star-shaped icon has now appeared here. It has been featured. It wasn't present earlier, but now it is. What occurs if I refresh it? If I refresh this, you can see it has come to the top. This means it can rank at the top. If you feature it, it means you have a higher chance of getting work. So this is your feature, and the dates on which you published it will appear here along with the title. After you sell the work, the rating will show here. How many sales have been made? It will show here. And how many people or clients have viewed the post? It will keep happening. Whenever someone places an order, it will appear in the order section here. Look here. At the top in the order section, it will appear here, and then you can complete the work and deliver it. That's how the process will be. I'll make a video to show you how to do it, how you can message, how to request work from a client, or ask for any documents or files, how the live charting and chatting will work. That's why you should definitely subscribe to this channel. We will bring more videos on how to... You will do identity verification to process the payout. We will make many videos on this. Thank you.